worst days, even on the best ones, I will fight for you. Even in the heartbreak, even when we win, I'll be loving you. Over and over again, you'll be mine. Over and over again, I'll choose you every time. We will be lovers, fighters through every dream. We'll be hand in hand, babe. I wouldn't change a thing. Tears flow, even when we laugh a lot, I will stand with you. Even when the doors close, even when we have it all, it's always me and you. Over and over again, you'll be mine. Over and over again, I'll choose you every time. We will be lovers, fighters through every dream. We'll be hand in hand, babe. I wouldn't change a thing. Through the ordinary, our babes getting married. You and me will always be. It keeps on getting better. I could do forever. You and me will always be. We will be lovers, fighters through every dream. We'll be hand in hand, babe. I wouldn't change. We will be together forever through every loss. We'll be hand in hand, babe. I wouldn't change a thing. I wouldn't change. I wouldn't change a thing. Do you remember how we kissed in the kitchen as the coffee pours? By the end, my face was sore from your stubble, but I still wanted more. And all the miles that we spent in the air, where we're going, I don't care. I'm just so glad that you were there that night in the restaurant, because I got to say, so I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do? So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured. You are water in the desert, my fox, my missing puzzle piece. You make me feel loved, protected. Boy, we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. And in the morning we will start up the French press. I'll be thinking to myself, how did I get so lucky? heart is sweet like honey. And in the evenings when we settle in bed, it's like you're in my head. How did I get so lucky? So I say it again and again. So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do? So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured. You are water in the desert, my fox, my missing puzzle piece. You make me feel loved, protected. Boy, we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. Making out in the back of that Prius, no bikes in there to interrupt us. In your favorite spot behind my ear where nothing in the world can touch us. Sometimes you take my breath away. I hope I never forget to say. So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do? So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured. You are water in the desert, my fox, my missing puzzle piece. You make me feel loved, protected. Or we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do?
by the fireside, really feeling that I like every little time that I get a chance to close my eyes. If you're gonna make it soon, maybe we could get our room, but I need some rest from gloom, otherwise I feel I'm doomed. You be looking over like you really know me. Maybe take a picture, take a couple, guess it's free. I don't wanna give another guarantee. Look me in the eyes right now, run away with me, or to a place that you thought you never really see. You'd be looking funny when you're living so free. But all I ever was, afraid to take the plunge. I heard too many things, I prayed that they were wrong, but I'm still happy now. Just think of what could be if I was still around. The schedules were free. I'm missing the seas I'd swing when I used to truly bring everything I had to bring. I'd given everything. I just wanna live in bliss. Baby, can you grant this wish? You're the piece that might just fit in my puzzle that's in bits. You be looking over like you really know me. Maybe take a picture, take a couple, guess it's free. I don't wanna give another guarantee. Look me in the eyes right now, run away with me, or to a place that you thought you never really see. You'd be looking funny when you're living so free. But all I ever was, afraid to take the plunge. I heard too many things, I prayed that they were wrong, but I'm still happy now. Just think of what could be if I was still around. The schedules were free.